are going to be drawing this beautiful rainbow unicorn. So why don't you grab some paper and some pencil, crayons, and a pencil, and let's get started. To start with, we're going to fold our paper lightly to give us some guidelines. So we're going to fold it once lengthwise. And then we're going to fold it once top to bottom. Now that doesn't have to be dark creases, we're just trying to get a nice guideline so we know where to be drawing. All right, from there we are going to take our pencil and we're going to start on the bottom left, and we're going to draw kind of a curvy line up to the first middle fold and going around like a little hill and bringing it in and stopping at the line and putting a little line at the bottom there. So what we just did was we made the neck and the head and part of the body. So from there we're going to add some eyelashes. So we're going to make the eyes look close. So we're going to do little smiley faces upside down with 5 or 6 little eyelashes coming off of there. We're going to draw the muzzle, so a little half circle from the bottom with some little nostrils. And I gave my unicorn a smile, but you can decide what you want to do. And we got to put that cute little cheek in there, right? Just a little oval circle. And then we're going to move to the top and we're going to draw 2 rounded ears. And don't forget to put the little inside part as well, because that is super cute. And we're going to move on to the mane, the outside mane. Just some fun little, I don't even know what shape to call that, kind of like a spiky shape. And then we're going to put the line in there to make it look like a top and a bottom, so like both sides of the mane. Beautiful. And we're going to make some beautiful hair. So we're going to draw a line from the top of the ear going down to the bottom of the first main part. It's all going to be connected. And we're going to swoop out to the other side. And I'm giving mine a really cool bang, but you can decide what you want to do. So we're just drawing like a curved line up and around. And here I'm just erasing part of the head that would show up in the hair. A little particular like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the strands of hair, adding a little bit of detail there. It'll be good later for when we color it in. And then, of course, a unicorn needs a crown, or not a crown, a horn, sorry. So, this, I'm not going to lie, is a little bit of a challenge for me. I couldn't get it to look right. Just try your best. I just did 5 or 6 little swoops around and then connected them all. And then in my background, I drew some hearts, but you could draw whatever you like. You know, you don't even have to draw anything in your background if you want to, but I kind of thought it'd be cute to have some hearts back there. Now, this is the part where I always say it is best to ink your drawings. So I use a Sharpie, but you know, if you're not allowed to use Sharpie, regular black marker is fine. So you're just going to go over all of your pencil lines. It just makes the picture look cleaner and more finished. And it's also easier when you color, because sometimes if you're, depending on what you're using to color with, when you color over top of pencil crayon, or can't talk today. Depending on what you're using to color with, if you color over top of the pencil, it gets all smudgy and it doesn't look as nice. And then you take your eraser and you go through and you erase all that pencil, because we don't need it anymore because we have the beautiful marker drawing. It's also nice to do it this way too, because if you do make a mistake in your original pencil sketch, you can erase it, whereas you can't erase marker, unfortunately. Boo. Alright, so there's our unicorn. She looks absolutely stunning. And this is the fun part where you can choose any colors you want. I kind of went with like the pinks, purples, and greens and blues, like those traditional kind of unicorn colors. But again, this is your picture. You color her however you like. Maybe it's not even a her. You know, it could be a he. I mean, it's 2020. You color your unicorn however you want. So we're just going to speed through this because it's coloring, but it looks really cool when it's fast. So I'll be quiet for a moment and I'll just let you enjoy the coloring. I will say though, if this video went too fast for you and you couldn't follow along, just make sure you pause, go back, do the step you missed and watch again. That's the awesome thing about doing this as a video. You can always stop it and try again. If you like these drawing videos, these art videos, please just let us know by giving us a like and a subscribe. That way we can know that you want to see more of these awesome art videos, because we love to do them. And there we have it. We have our beautiful rainbow unicorn.